So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $1,000 on Digistore24. Okay, and it's going to be a complete straightforward guide. So let's get started. And before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, simple, straightforward way, no bullshit. So please consider subscribing, like the video, and give me your comments. Okay. So now, as you could see, this is my Digistore again. Made couple of good earnings for different kind of products, and I'm gonna show you my exact strategy as well. All you have to do is click on marketplace. Once you're on your marketplace, go on sales rank. Okay, and once you go on sales rank, I would always prefer supplements because again it's a physical product. I would prefer buying a physical product rather than a book for $100, right, or an online course. So let me go for Steelbite Pro, right? If I open Steelbite Pro, this is the product which I'm promoting. Copy it. Can you just go on the affiliate support page? Again, this is the affiliate support page. First thing is click contact us, and then you can send him an email that I would like to sign up for the offer and everything. Please give me your keyword list. Okay, so once you do that, again, this is what I did for Steelbite Pro. The guy sent me, again, this is how it is, and these are the top converting keywords. Now once I know all of these keywords, the next thing which I need to do is just go on Google and just copy this thing. I went on Google, I just copied this thing, and I could see that the ads are running, which means success leaves clues. If people are running ads, which means it's making money, right? So again, I could see a lot of ads. Sponsored means ads, right? So again, this is one of the ads. The other one is this. So they are promoting something, right? They are promoting something else over here. But if I scroll down more, I could see different kind of ads. If I scroll down more, I could see ads as well. Let me see this one. Easy treatment for gum disease. Treat gums while you sleep. So again, they are promoting Prodentim. Again, it's one of the affiliate products in ClickBank. Okay, but then I know they are promoting this offer, right? Which means it's really good. What you could do is you could copy the same landing page, or else I've created a sample landing page as well. This looks much better compared to this one. So I feel this one is much better. If you want more ideas on creating a landing page, the best thing is check the email swipes, right? So if I scroll down over here, banners. So if I just go on Dentative Creative, so it's giving me the creatives. But the best thing is always check. I'll give you an example of another product. Just go on. Let me give you an example of, let's say, this one. Okay. Always check the email swipe, right? So if I scroll down over here, email swipes. So they don't have it, but some of them have it. So best thing is copy the subject line as a headline. So see, you can just copy this thing and imagine if I put, if I'm selling a health product, and if I just do this one over here, where is it? Okay, so this one is really good, right? So again, something like this, but it's fine. I'm just going to refresh. So yeah, always try to use the email headlines because they convert really well for me. Or else again, this is what I've created. You can spy as well. Like literally, I can just go, and if I just bleeding gums, if I go on Google, type bleeding gums, okay, treatment at home. If I search over here, you can spy on your competition as well. Just scroll down, you could see kill bacteria. Or what I could do is if I just click over here. So the reason I'm using this website is currently I'm not in the US. So again, this is like it opens up the search of USA, right? So now I could see sponsored posts. So you can do a little research and then again do a little spying. So again, as you could see, I found some competition as well. So Rebuild Gums and Teeth, do this immediately. Again, this is one of the landing page. Even this looks really good as well. Swallowing this bacteria is all you need to fix all the dental issues, but I would prefer mine is much better, right? revolutionary supplement discovered that can grow teeth and gums almost overnight, right? So now again, all of the things are there, and then when you click here, it will redirect. Now all you have to do is come on Google ads or Bing ads. Again, it's a paid strategy, right? It requires money, but if you would like to learn about free traffic, how you could promote Digistore24 products for free, I've already created the video. You can check it out. The link would be somewhere on the top. You can go and check it out. But again, right now this is a paid strategy, so all you have to do is come on Google ads, come on new campaign. All you have to do then is create website traffic, click on continue, search, click on continue, put your website name. I would say for now I would say test. Okay, start new. Now the next thing which you could do is, I would say, clicks. Once you're on clicks, I would say 0.50 depending on your budget. So I would go with 0.35. Okay, then if I'm getting clicks, I would keep it as it is. If not, I would increase the budget by 5 cents, so I can make it 0.40. But for now, just to be safe, 0.35. I would say only choose networks, remove this thing, keep include search partners, or even remove this thing. So if you remove both of them, your ads will only show here, right? So this is what we want. Let's go back over here. Let me choose tier 1 countries, which is United States, Canada, Australia. But for this purpose, I would just choose United States. English would be my target language. Click on next. Keywords, again, I got the keywords from here. Okay, you can just copy this thing, paste it over here. Before pasting over here, I would do keyword match type tool. So again, trying to be much more compact, because again, if I just paste it like this over here, it's going to be broad. So it can be anything, right? The keywords can, and I can have a lot of spammy clicks on keywords which I don't need, right? So the best thing is copy here, phrase match. Okay, so what it does is it puts this thing around the keyword. Just copy this thing, come over here, paste it. Okay, if you would like to find more keywords, all you have to do is just go on, where is my product, right? So if I go on second, open this one, open my product, copy this thing, the URL, come back, paste it again. It will add more keywords as well, right? So if I just search over here, okay, let me just search and check what keywords are they providing. So again, yeah, they're providing different keywords as well, but for now I'm going to stick with the ones which was sent by email. Okay, so paste it over here. Once that's done, again, put your URL. So again, it's the same URL I'll put, so that's gonna be my URL. Come back. Okay, now all you have to do is headlines. I can copy my competition as well. Rebuild gums and teeth, do this immediately, do this immediately, rebuild. And then I can go on my keywords as well. So my keyword says heal gum teeth, right? So heal, what I could do is heal gum and teeth. Okay, heal gum and teeth. Go back on the keywords as well. Again, swollen gums. So what I could do is something, I can go back on over here, swollen gums treatment, search, check my spy, what are they promoting. Okay, swollen gums treatment, right? This is good. Scroll more down, check. I would see if something is catching my eye, right? Just scroll down. So I don't see that much. So what I could do is just put this one, swollen gums treatment, and then again come back on Steel Bite Pro, check the banner. Steel Bite Pro, we don't need the banner, we don't need the creatives. Again, affiliate page, what else they are giving us, right? If I scroll down more, natural way to build. Okay, that's it. I can just copy this thing here, paste it, and then again go back. Just mix and match, right? No expensive medication, prevent tooth decay. and everything, right? That's it for now. Just click on next and you can launch your website. And once you start running ads, once you start getting clicks, your offers would start converting, because again, you have winning keywords, you have a winning product, and also you have a winning ad copy, because you did some competition analysis, you did spy on your competitor and you got an idea. So I think so that's it for today's videos, guys. Hope you really like the video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and Yavar Khan signing off.